Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today I will share my own YouTube intro that I use in my all video. Here is the introduction I will show you. So here is the introduction because I have put my own logo. And here I will show you how to customize this introduction for YouTube with your own logo and how to change the text. Okay, it is specific for the logo, just for logo. Okay, so let's start. When you open your project, you got this screen with assembly window. Okay, it's very important. You are in assembly window. Now, to change the logo, I will import my logo here. So let's start. I added video also. And also I added my logo, not on a person, it is on logo testing, this one, and my simple logo. Here, I import my logo. Now to change the logo by your own logo, go to the logo sequence here. Click here, and put your logo, drag and drop. So, as you can see, now I will delete this one. I don't need it, and I put it in the first part. Now I can want to minus one. What is the length of the previews? I don't remember, sorry. So I put with the same length to get the intro. Well, intro. Now I can delete this one, or I can disable directly from this eye. Same thing, so I can put it directly like this, or I can delete it and I put this one here. Okay, it's the same thing. Now I have changed my logo. I can see the new intro with this logo. I will just come back to the final seconds and I will play. As you can see, here is the logo. You put your own logo, of course. Mine is very small, no problem. But put the logo with real resolution. So now I will change the text. To change text is very easy. Also, you have these 2 seconds, text 1 and text 2 here. Just double click and you put what you want. For me, for example, Faisal Azib. And the second, I put here dev, design, and EM. Okay, now we come back to final seconds. As you can see, I have changed the text and the logo. Well, this part is very easy. Okay, now if you want to use the social media as YouTube or Facebook, different type of this logo, you found them all here in social media icon. Here is the logo that exists with this component. You make the same thing, just go to the logo. So I will make this one here, and I put, for example, for Facebook directly from here, and now you can see, you can get your intro with Facebook. So simple, like this. Okay, here it's about the logo. What you can change also, you can change the background. You can put, for example, video behind the logo. It is not necessary to use this color or this background. How to change the background? To change background, you have these 2 seconds, BG image 02 or 01. Okay, so let's start with image 1. Here, as you can see, I have an image. So what I will do, I just added my video. So for example, here is here. It's very long, so I just reduce the, sorry, what I have clicked. So I reduce the size of video as the previous one. Good. Now I can change this one and I will make the scale. Like this, for example. Okay? Now you come back to the seconds. As you can see, here is the previous one. Do you see? Also I have this background. I can also disable this background. How my video appears. Good. Good. And also I can let it again, or I can change it, of course, with the same video. So I can click here and I put my video here. Oops, I have delayed the previous one, sorry. So let's make it again, and I reduce the size or the length of the seconds for the tube, and delete this one and put this one here. Make the scale for the real size like this. Save all the change, don't forget to save all the change, and here is the final intro with logo. Okay, it's very easy. If you like it, I have used it for my intro, but I will change it with another ones, and I will share with you when I added the new intro, inshallah. So if you like it, if you like my intro, use it as you want. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel for a lot of free input for different graphic and design video editing software, and also for the full course. I repeat, I will start inshallah a new course, and you will choose which type of course I will do. I don't have the course yet, but any subject, so choose in comment which type of course and what is the name of the tool or the programming language or anything else that of course I know how to use it, of course. So just comment and I will see if it's possible to make course for beginners to learn all the concept of this tool or programming language or database or anything else. Just comment, please, comment, and I see you inshallah for next video. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.